Kodo Kang Selema Bono Kipe Amana Uyo Ede Yaunena Wena Aniene Ah Maiyero Wapuna one
I'm off fana.
Nziri
Definitely.
Namuba Kuruna Murama
I bring you good news. You see this job waiting.
Oh, Fanami
Forget I will kappa for you. I will interpret for you. How about this business? There's no money. I can't even have. You expect profit. So I want to teach you how to fish. I don't want to fish for you.
Ah, what are they?
No, babe. I don't want to koyak for you.
Okay, you want to koya. Afoma koya kakpa. Tung sa yung utang ba?
I bring you good news all the way from Gmall.
And see the
Is presenting to you Uyo Maker Business Summit alias Dinner Season 1. Now we are going to teach you 5 ways of how to make money during this pandemic.
Iwang akemi.
Let's see what film who's on its own on how to namako.
Okay, wani lang sang namu nama ko.
God forbid it's not animal money. It's how to do real money. I'll teach you how to do it.
Yung anam kemo.
Ndogong para wa ibibyo uro ma aferi Akwa Ibom State Uyo Nigeria.
Ke Akwa Ibom nginemi.
Of course now Etimbo has come to Nazareth.
What are they?
Kitimbo as my Akwa Ibom.
I'm going to mention.
On the 14th February, I want narrow fast day. So one day they want to show off here on our memoto. Here on our different decisions young bo. So I said, and the thing about the pay 2 p.m.
You will look at Pommy.
Our Oskim Bamakiri, Ambassador Ubong Brangsam, and you're the number 1 person I represent Geraris Ariakano Chimol Company in the whole Nigeria. And guess what? I do a quite woman.
Oh, lady, it's you. I know Wumbo. Abong a rosy for a woman. Mondi can Takasim, Mondi go to Yesibianako.
But remember, if you don't carry face milk, no entry.
What are they?
Muyara game bogizo, Uroko.
Okay, Pump, I would on mommy. We don't fear what is some devil, but a woman. What from a Sarah many video?
No, I don't generate something. I don't for a friend. Before the doctor, as well, I don't say chick. Hello, engineer. Hello, Bramba. Hello, Bang bomb. A rich bomb. Go and learn how to make money. By the way, cut all your life up for the future. Boom.
How are they?
That's tomorrow. Listen, you will know. That's how we roll.
And see the